VideoStew. How to use it. Please watch it for 3 minutes from now. First, log in to VideoStew and you will see the home screen. Since this is the first login, the My Work section is empty. Below that, there are several templates. You can see promo videos, anniversary videos, YouTube videos, etc. Select one of these templates and start editing it. It looks good. Click the Start with this template button. You will see the main editor as follows. You can change text elements in this way. And change the image like this, then you are finished. Of course, you can add more images or new text. When you are done, you can see the preview in real time. Now let us go back to the home screen and start a new project. Are you ready to learn more about it? When you click the Create New button, you will see a blank slide like this. Should we create a video about introducing some of the planets in our solar system? First, let us find an universe as a background and put it here. And I will insert an image of the Earth. Then add a text box. I am going to type in Earth. Duplicate this slide and add a new text box. Let us insert a short explanation about the Earth. Shall we now also add an image of Mars? Duplicate another slide. I am going to reduce the size of the Earth and put it aside. And I'll place the Mars image in the center. Then change the name of the planet. Duplicate another slide and let us insert a short explanation here. I am going to delete the explanation text box on the previous slide. In the same way, I'll insert an image of Jupiter. This time I will show it to you quickly. Now it is ready. Now let us check the preview. Now a video with animation will be created automatically. Do you like it? Let us add an AI voice now. Select the entire slide, go to the narration menu and select the voice you want. You can listen to each voice by hovering over
I'm
it.
Amelia. This is my voice. I hope you find.
Hello, I'm Daniel. This is my voice.
Hello, I'm Adama
I like
Pearson.
this voice.
This is
Shall
my
we
voice.
use it?
I hope you find a voice to fit your needs. How about starting with my voice?
Now let us preview all the slides again.
Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor and support life. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system.
How does it work? Easy as pie. What kind of video do you want to create? Did you already have an idea? Cook videos to your taste. In VideoStew now.